Hello guys, binabati ko ang aking pinakamamahal na team, The Real Warriors. Happy first anniversary sa ating lahat guys. Maraming salamat dahil binigyan ako ng opportunity na makapasok sa team na ito. Napakasaya ko, lalo na sa kauna-unahan na nakalala ko sila Ma'am Lorna, Sir Oli.
Happy anniversary, The Real Warriors family! Isa lang po ang aking masasabi at ito ay walang iba kundi congratulations. Congratulations dahil nagsimulat lang tayong maging mga bebe. Binuo tayo para maging pamilya. Congratulations dahil sa lahat ng mga napagdaanan natin, naging matatag at naging buo pa rin tayong team. Congratulations sa ating founder, co-founder, head admins, at sa lahat ng mga members na nananatili pa rin. I am happy, I am grateful to be with this family. Love you, The Real Warriors family. Thank you so much.
The long wait is over, ayan. So nais ko lang po batiin ng happy first year anniversary ang aking team na The Real Warriors family. Siyempre nagpapasalamat po ako kay Ma'am Lorna de los Santos, kay Luz Oliver, sa lahat po ng head admins at admin.
Hello! Happy first anniversary, The Real Warriors family. More years to come and more challenges to come over right now. Happy anniversary once again. Bye-bye from the bottom of my heart.
Happy anniversary po to my The Real Warriors family. Thank you po, Ma'am Lorna. Ayan po. I'm so proud po to be a part of this. Thank you po sa pag-offer ninyo sa akin noon to be a member of this family. Yan, thank you. Mahal ko po kayong lahat. And look, I'm so proud of my shirt.